What's up, plant lovers? Today, we're diving into one of the most prickly questions out there. Can you take a cactus on a plane? Whether you're moving cross-country or bringing home a spiky souvenir, I've got all the answers you need to make sure your cactus travels safely. Let's jump right in. First things first, can you even bring a cactus on a plane? The short answer is yes. But as always, there are some things you need to know before you pack your spiky friend. If you're flying domestically within the same country, most airlines and TSA will let you bring a cactus in your carry-on or checked baggage. But you'll want to make sure it's properly packed so it doesn't poke through anything or hurt anyone. Pro tip: wrap your cactus carefully in newspaper or bubble wrap, then place it in a sturdy box. This way, it won't get damaged, and neither will your other belongings. But what if you're flying internationally? That's where things get a little tricky. Different countries have different regulations about bringing plants across borders. Some may require a special permit, or they might not allow it at all due to agricultural restrictions. Before you pack, check with the destination country's customs website or contact their embassy to see if you're allowed to bring a cactus in. Trust me, you don't want your plant to get confiscated. Now, let's talk security. If you're bringing your cactus in your carry-on, be prepared for it to go through the X-ray machine. Yes, your cactus will need to pass through security too. And while it might get some funny looks, it's totally allowed as long as you've packed it properly. So there you have it. Your cactus can come along for the ride. Just make sure it's well packed, check the rules if you're flying internationally, and you'll be good to go. Whether it's for luck, love, or just because you think they're cool, your cactus can be your travel buddy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel tips. Got any other quirky questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll tackle them next. Until then, happy travels with your prickly pal.